So echolocation in cetaceans means dolphin and whales. स्क्रीन शो हो रही है आप लोगों को?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So cetaceans are aquatic animals. Aquatic animals होते हैं belonging to a single group of marine mammals. They belong to the order Cetacea. जो order होंगी वो Cetacea है उसकी one of the subdivision of the class Mammalia. Subdivision क्या है? Mammalia. Cetaceans may be belong baleen whale, toothed whale such as spump whale, white whale, dolphins, and some other similar kind of mammals. तो मैंने आप लोगों को ये इंट्रोडक्शन एक्सप्लेन की थी लास्ट लेक्चर में, राइट? द टूथेड वेल एंड डॉल्फिन्स यूज mechanism to know about their surrounding and catch prey. The mechanism is similar to a radar or a sonar known as echolocation. So radar is the system for detecting the presence of aircraft, ships, etc. Next, by sending out pulses of highly frequency electromagnetic out pulses. Okay, electromagnetic waves को attract करता है. And sonar is a system for the underwater detection of object by reflected sounds. Now we see the mechanisms. Mechanism of echolocation in cetacean बहुत simple mechanism है. मैं आपको डायग्राम भी दी हुई है. Okay. So echolocation involves a number of structure and process. The structure are nasal passage, skull, melon, toothed lower jaw, brain, etc. नंबर ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर्स जो होंगे वो इकोलोकेशन में इन्वॉल्व होते हैं. ओके, इकोलोकेशन इन्वॉल्व नंबर ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर एंड प्रोसेस द स्ट्रक्चर. अब स्ट्रक्चर्स बोला हुआ है तो कौन कौन से स्ट्रक्चर्स है यहाँ पे? नेजल पैसेजेस, स्कल, मेलॉन एंड टूथेड लोअर जॉ, ब्रेन एक्सेट्रा. यहाँ पे डायग्राम में है मेलॉन. मेलॉन इज अ नोज बोन. ओके, सी दिस डायग्राम. शो हो रही है आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. सो जैसे ही मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे सारा स्ट्रक्चर्स आपको समझ में आएगा. ओके, so echolocation involve a number of structure and process. The structure are nasal passage, skull, melon. Melon is a nose bone, teeth, lower jaw, brain, etc. In dolphin, the sound is produced in the upper nasal passages. जो sound होता है वो produce कहाँ से होता है? Upper nasal passage and then focus ahead into a narrow direction beam. The front of skull act as a parabolic reflector. जो front skull होगा वो act करता है एज ए parabolic reflector. So what is parabolic reflector? Parabolic reflector is a reflective surface used to collect or project energy such as जैसे light है, sound और radio waves. Okay, तो यहाँ पे skull जो है वो act कर रहा है as a parabolic reflector. Melon bulbous fat fill structure located in the forehead. Okay, आपको यहाँ पे शो हो रहा होगा कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है मेलॉन. Melon bulbous fat fill structure located at the forehead. It is believed that this structure can probably changes shape to
मैडम,
ultra beam. Yes.
मैम आपकी स्क्रीन में दिख रही है.
अभी शो हो रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
So melon bulbous fat field structure located in the forehead. It is believed that this structure can probably changes shape to ultra beam focus. Okay, shape change होता है इसका, shape change to a ultra beam focus. The returning echoes are received to the lower jaw. जो echo return आता है वो कहाँ से receive हो रहा है? Returning echoes are received to the lower jaw which contain a kind of fats. So lower jaw यहाँ पे जो वो contain क्या कर रहा है? Kind of fat or a oil in some areas. In case of toothed well, the skull and both the jaws play very important parts. ये toothed well की बात करें हम लोग. So the toothed well, the skull, both the jaws play very important part in the echolocations. यहाँ पे दो parts toothed well में दो parts important रहेंगे. Skull and both the jaws. Okay, the melon with its large deposit of fat plays a vital role in echolocation. The chemical composition of these kind of fat is different from normal bodies. Normal bodies से different होता है ये. Okay, and also from that of kind of fat the animal take along the food. The toothed well emit intense short pulses of sound in the nasal passage. तो toothed well यहाँ पे emit क्या कर रही है? Short pulses of sounds. The toothed well emits intense short pulses of sound in the nasal passage, and this sound is focused by a
मैम स्क्रीन
lens-shaped
में शो
structure. एक्चुअली नेटवर्क इश्यू है इसलिए आप लोगों को स्क्रीन शो नहीं हो रही है.
ओके मैम.
ओके अभी हो रही है?
यस मैम. यस मैम.
तो एक्सप्लेनेशन में इंटरप्शन हो रहा है ना. Okay. The toothed well emit intense short pulses of sound in the nasal passage, and this sound is focused by a lens-shaped structure known as melon. Okay. Melon क्या है? जो toothed well है emit कर रही है वहां पे intense short pulses of sounds emit कर रही है, right, in the nasal passage. और ये sound जो होगा, this sound is focused by the lens shaped structure, and this lens shaped structure is known as a melon. Okay, clear है what is melon? Lens shaped structure होता है, it is called as a melon, located in the forehead. You can see in the picture. कहाँ पे है melon? Located in the forehead. This sound is ultrasonic, having a range from 0.05 to 220 kilohertz. This sound wave, when meets only any object, it bounce. जब ये sound किसी object से reflect होके वापस आता है, means this sound wave when meet any object, it bounce back and produce a echoes. Echo produce करता है. Okay, the returning sound waves after reaching back to the toothed well pass through the sinus. Sinus is the skull connecting with the nasal cavity. Okay, what is sinus? Sinus means skull connecting with the nasal cavity. So passes through the sinus in the lower jaw, which are filled with the oil. तो लोअर jaw हमने देखे यहाँ पे लोअर jaw में क्या प्रेजेंट होता है? ऑयल प्रेजेंट होता है और फैट प्रेजेंट होता है, राइट. मैंने पहले ही आप लोगों को पॉइंट explain की थी. The echo returning echo are received to the lower jaw which contain a kind of fat or oil in a some area. So this sound wave when meet any object, it bounce back and produce echoes. The returning sound waves after reaching back to the toothed well pass through the sinus and in the lower jaw which are filled with the oil. Okay, the sound waves then reach the inner ear. The animal then builds up a sound picture by processing with the help of its large and complex brain. This is called as echolocation. Okay. तो लोअर जॉ में आने के बाद क्या हो रहा है, वो साउंड वेव देन रीच द इनर ईयर. द एनिमल द बिल्ड अप अ साउंड पिक्चर बाय प्रोसेसिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ इट्स लार्ज एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स ब्रेन, and this is called as a echolocation. The sound produced by whale and dolphins are in the form of clicks. Click form में होता है वो sound जो भी वो produce करते हैं, means whale and dolphins जो sound produce करेंगे वो click form में होगा. Maybe normal, which may be once a second or so, but very often the rate may increases. The increases click rate may be signal the approach of prey such as squat. Finally, the buzzing click. जो buzzing click होता है वो indicate करता है that the prey may be very near, only a feet away. Okay, अगर buzzing click आता है वहां पे तो वो क्या indicate कर रहा है, sound means prey may be very near, only a feet away. It is believed that the sperm whale is able to know the direction, size, shape, and species of the prey by echolocation. Okay. In some whales and dolphins, the echolocation has been found to be effective at least as far as 760 meter, means 2500 feet, and probably further distance. So this is the mechanism of cetacean. Okay. Hope you understand. Now I start the mechanism of pearl formation in mollusca. Okay. The mechanism of pearl formation in mollusca. What is mollusca? Anyone knows what is mollusca? सुने कभी? Yes.
Something
Mollusca
which
is
is
मुझे आप लोगों की आवाज नहीं आ रही है सही से. So a large phylum of invertebrate animals, okay, like snails, clams, mussels. These are the molluscas. Means a large phylum of invertebrates animal is called as a molluscas. Pearl formation in mollusca हमको ये देखना है अभी. So a natural pearl, or we can say the oriental pearl, natural pearl or oriental pearl form when an irritant work its way into a particular species of oyster, mussels, or a clam. Okay, the pearl is literally formed by the mantle epithelium. तो जहां पे भी अगर आप लोगों ने मेंटल में एम ई लिखे हैं ना वहां पे करेक्ट करना है, एम ए आएगा यहाँ पे. Okay, so pearl are formed in mollusca.
आ रही है।